long sha timpu Ñiah bike but kan reu ngut ki nong Ñiah bike na reu teli ki ri mo te marsen dep ka jinge lang ban rakhe pendan buram ya ka sngi United Nations Day ha ka arpusau trek urisau ki kan reu ngut ki nong Ñiah bike ki la mi na ka Spring Valley Farm ha langkerding mau pat shalong banyak iki bike jongki sha Bhutan ha ka jinge lam jongi but ki wede ki parlok napok ka green route but ka let's travel Bhutan te na preng kini ki nyong Ñiah bike kentup nari India nari UK nari Slovakia nari United States but na Spain but Bhutan but ka jing temu jong kane ka jing Ñiah bike ka long na ka benta ban Krishan ya ka jing pentrekam jong ka United Nations Sustainable Development Goals ban wanra ya ka roy ka par ha ka ne but ka jing im jong ki breu prepare ha kini kiri kini ki nong Ñiah bike ki la mi na shalong ba ki la Ñiah ki bike shadow ka Tigers Nest Monastery ka bashna house nam khat riu spa san polai daus em banungkong jong ka Bhutan te ke jing thmu jong ka ne ka de banyarap iki Nongrep ha ki liang jong ka yo ka hat bat ban thung ding ba banyarap iki long kme ki bathan iki jing than bat kumju ru ye ki nong sengkam ban ai kam ai jami khna Samla te ya kani ka jing Ñiah bike la ya lam da mangi na ka seng jong ka World View Impact Foundation ka khat iki ka right east na ka operation right east kani ka de ka ba r ka bang Ñiah bike ka banung kong ka de ka operation right east 1 ka bang ya lek cha ka lake of no return cha po Myanmar te ngia trailang bat I ba.
Hi Bremly, how you enjoy?
I'm enjoying, Linda. With the biking, you were riding very fast. 50 kilometers per hour.
So we finally reached our destination or target for Operation Right East 2 to Bhutan. Behind me is the Tiger's Nest. This is a special monastery built in the 1600s and it still stands today. Of course, this beautiful trail has been built by the government. We were stopped by COVID for the last 2 years. We were supposed to come here in March of 2020 and now it's October 2022. We are a group of 16 riders and participants from 5 countries who made it, and we look forward to engaging with the young people, the entrepreneurs, the students, and the tour operators of this beautiful nation of Bhutan, where you measure gross national happiness, where you have 70% of your forest still standing, where you keep your rivers and streams crystal clear and clean, where you can drink from every stream, where when every child is born, trees are planted. And I think this is an example for the rest of the world to follow, because the way we measure our GDP is completely flawed. We don't account for nature-based solutions or natural capital, human capital, and social capital. So we have to change as a human species to respect Mother Nature and restore what we have destroyed. And this is the country to learn from. This gentleman is 82 years old and he's come, wait, what's your name, ma'am?
Ming.
Ming, all the way from Seattle, the evergreen state.
I am 77 years
She's
old.
77 and he's 82 and they are hiking to the Tiger's Nest. Well, young people out there, they're out of steam. They're using donkeys. And they came on their feet, no donkeys. Rock on, good sir. May you live long and prosper.
Thank you.
The pony gang, man. First they were riding bikes, now they're riding ponies. Mules, actually. Yeah. Carlito, how you feel, man?
I feel great, man. This is life, bro.
Rock on and ride on. Now you're riding a mule, man.
2022, this is how we do.
Yeah. Miguel, you gonna build a gym here, man?
Of course.
Yeah.
Already built.
Yeah. You better. You better believe it, man.
Hey chicos, what's up? Hello boss, come on. We ready to go. Ready to go, Brem. Nice, looking good with my bike, bro. Yeah, Americana, let's go. Ashley, you got this, you got this. Come on. See, we're in touch, brother. Peace, man. Drive safe. Drive safe, bro. Peace. Hey, polar bear. Peace, mama. Hey, my people, much love. I stay here in Bhutan representing the clan #1 all day. Hey, Top Gun. That's it. We lost the crew, man.
You're the one
We lost the crew, man. Come here with Top Gun. Now I stay with Top Gun a few days,
This
yeah?
congratulations goes to both Sonam and Togbe from Let's Travel Bhutan. You guys rock, man.
Yeah, Top
Thank you so much for
Thank
making
you, man.
Operation Ride East to Bhutan, to the Tiger's Nest, a success. And we'll be back with more riders to make a difference for the people of Bhutan. Rock on Togbe, rock on Sonam.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hell yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Thì ya cái này cái Ñiah bike là ya lam da mangi na ka seng jong ka World View Impact Foundation ka khat iki ka Right East na ka Operation Right East ka ni ka de ka ba R ka bang Ñiah bike ka banung kong ka de ka Operation Right East 1 ka bang ya lek cha ka Lake of No Return sa po Myanmar. Thì Ñiah trai lang bat iba Ashley Erasmus Lingdo iba penya ya ka Green Route na po Shillong bat u Tokbe Yesni na po ka Let's Travel Bhutan apo Thimphu. Yung sutunat ba baro ki Ñiah bike ki contribute ki project prepare.
Ladies, we're going home. What do you think so far?
It's been incredible. I wish we could stay much, much longer. Maybe we should turn this boat around. Turn it around.
Yeah?
It's been an amazing journey. Yeah. We're just gonna live here now.
Yeah? Chill out with the elephants and
Oh yeah. Yeah, we still
tigers.
saw some more elephants, some leopards. We haven't seen those yet. What about you, Bram? How is it for you?
Well, we got to bring you girls back in January
Yeah,
when it's all frozen in Chicago.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, perfect please.
Yeah. Oh, I got the song for you. Take me back to Chicago. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, there's another group coming this way.
Ooh. Need some more friends?
Yeah, totally. AT got lucky. He got a power nap
Good.
while we were downloading stuff.
It looked so nice. You were sleeping like such a gentleman too.
Really?
Yeah, you slept like this.
Yeah, with your hands held together. Proper. She got it. She got the proof.
Precious.
She got the footage.
Oh no.
It was too good not to.
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't want
He was in Top Gun mode. Long journey home.
Heading home back to Hasina.
Yes. Yeah, the birds. See, the lotus are going to open up again very soon.
Yeah, they were all open when we were out this morning. It was beautiful. Bright pink.
Mm-hmm. We're all done. This is the grand finale, at least from the Assam side. Today we're riding to Sanyhon Farm, where Eva is going to welcome us with some nice tea. We'll jump in the pool, we'll leave the girls there, we'll take the bikes to Shillong and come back for a party. Bremly Lingdo are signing off from this beautiful Chandubi lake, created by a massive earthquake back in 1953. Look at this, it's extremely gorgeous. What a place to end Right East 2. Rock on and ride on. Signing off.